Grimy, very dirty, covered with dust, grease, or dirt, not clean. The kitchen floor was grimy and slightly sticky. The windows are grimy. Wipe them properly now. Chubby, slightly fat in a cute or healthy way. He is not fat, just a little chubby. The puppy is so chubby and fluffy. I want to hug him. Hefty, large, heavy, or strong, often used to describe size, weight, or amount. That box is really hefty. I need help. Really heavy. He received a hefty fine for parking illegally. Large big fine. That dog is hefty and hard to control. Strong, big, skinny, very thin sometimes in a way that looks unhealthy or weak. He looks skinny and tired. Maybe he is sick. My brother is so skinny he eats all day but never gains weight. Nippy, slightly cold or chilly, but not extremely cold. It's quite nippy outside. Wear a light jacket. It's getting nippy. Let's head back home now. Tipsy, slightly drunk, not fully drunk. I am not drunk, just a bit tipsy. Don't drive if you are feeling even slightly tipsy. Stinky, something that smells very bad or unpleasant. Your breath is stinky. Brush your teeth. I cannot use this bathroom. It's so stinky. Clingy, someone who wants to stay very close to another person all the time and needs a lot of attention. She isn't clingy, just caring and a bit emotional. My nephew boyfriend is so clingy. He texts me every few minutes. Lanky, tall and thin, often with long arms and legs, usually in a slightly awkward way. He is very lanky and walks awkwardly sometimes. The new teacher is lanky and extremely tall. Groggy, weak, sleepy, dizzy, and unable to think clearly, usually because you are sick, tired, or just woke up. I didn't sleep well, so I am a bit groggy. I need coffee. I am too groggy to think. I was groggy after taking that strong medicine. Nosy, a person who is too interested in another people's private matters. My brother is so nosy. He reads my message. Stop being nosy. It's none of your business. Hazy, not clear, blurry, or foggy like weather or memory. The morning sky was hazy and full of fog. I have a hazy memory of my first day at school. Pokey, pokey, slow, sluggish, or taking a long time, used for people, vehicle, or things. Why are all these pokey drivers on this road today? He is a bit pokey when it comes to getting ready. American English. Pokey, pokey, small, compared, or narrow, a place that is not spacious. I don't like this pokey apartment. It's very small. The kitchen is pokey. There is hardly any space. Brighton English. Clumsy. Someone who moves or does things in an awkward way and often drop or break things. I am so clumsy. I just spilled my coffee. I am clumsy today. Everything keeps slipping from hands. Baggy. Clothing that is loose, not tied and hangs loosely on the body. He bought a baggy t-shirt for comfort. These jeans are too baggy. I need a smaller size. Swanky, stylish, expensive, or fashionable, usually in a show way. They stayed in a swanky hotel by the beach. That car looks really swanky and expensive. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel.